Very good afternoon to all of you. So we are starting with information theory and coding with the remaining topics of next unit. In that we will start with Markov source. Any query, any discussion for paper is needed or paper was easy? Anything you want to say, students, related to the paper we had first midterm? What happened, Aditi? You can turn on your mic also if you want. Okay. So students, write down the next topic, Markov sources. Markov sources. Okay, this is some pattern or some type of a graphical representation for the source where we are deleting with different states. Okay, so Markov sources, and that write down the next heading as Markov statistical model for information sources. Then how it is defined? It is defined as Markov source is represented in graphical form. You can write down it in your copy, then I will explain you. Markov source is represented in graphical form where the states are represented by nodes. Where the states are represented by nodes of graph, where the states are represented by nodes of graph and transfer between the states. You can see the screen also, and transfer between the states is represented by a directed line from initial to final state. So Markov source, what is that? How it is represented? It is represented in a graphical form. Okay, this is the graph which will be always given to you. Okay, while simplifying the numerical is the states. What are the states? These are the states 1, 2, and 3, which are represented by nodes. These circles are denoted as nodes. So how many nodes are there? 3 nodes are there. 1, 2, 3, which will produce some symbols. This nodes will produce some symbol. Clear? And transfer between the states. Okay, these are the states 1, 2, and 3, and transfer between these states are directed lines. They are represented in a form of directed lines. You can see the signal is going from one node to another node to third node. It can move, it can propagate, to and fro communication can takes place. Okay, so this is my Markov statistical model, how it is represented. Next line, write down the state transition and symbol generation can also be illustrated using a tree diagram. I think you have heard this word, tree diagram. And generally this diagram will be given to you in the question. So here, from initial state to final state, your symbol can move. Okay, and what are the symbols generated over here? The symbols generated over here, you can write, are A, B, and C. How many symbols are generated in this diagram? A, B and C. 3 symbols are generated. Clear, students? And source is emitting 3 symbols to different states. States are the nodes which are shown as 1, 2, 3. I can see that from state 1, 2, 3. You can see from state 1, 2, 3 while going. How it is going? It is going through this path, and while going it is producing a symbol C. Okay, students, I will use a different color pen so that it will be notified. I will use a symbol C. Okay, this symbol C is produced when my signal moves from state 1 to state 3 with probability 1 by 4. With probability 1 by 4. So, have you drawn this diagram? Draw it in your copy because we will simplify this ahead. So, finish, students. Okay, all of you finished. So, I am moving. Okay, so write down next. Markov state, Markov source is given by total probability. Write down in your copy, total probability in that state, plus previous state is considered. How we will find Markov source probability? It is found by total probability for that state plus previous state. Likewise, if I say you are having the diagram, okay, students. So if I say in that diagram the signal is moving like AB, okay. So what it means कि if I say AB having AB के होने की कितनी probability है? Probability is, see, first A is occurring, then B is occurring. If I say that B state पर हूं तो उससे पहले कौन सी स्टेट थी? A. ठीक है, सिंबल प्रोड्यूस हुआ था A. सो A B की टोटल प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या हो जाएगी? B की है 1/4, A की है 1/2. कंसिडरिंग एट नोड 1, ठीक है, प्रोड्यूसिंग सिंबल A. तुम नोड A की बात कर रही हूं, मैं नोड 1 की बात कर रही हूँ, जहां पे मेरा एक तो A प्रोड्यूस हो रहा था, ठीक है, दिस इज A with half probability, ठीक है, and this signal was going to node 2 by producing symbol B with probability 1/4. If I say I am having A B transition, ठीक है, so total probability will be probability at state B plus probability at state A, ठीक है, it depends on B but also on A. जो previous transition था उस पर भी depend करता है मेरा next transition, so that will be my total probability. ठीक है, now this diagram will be given to you, जो हमने देखा था 3. This diagram will be always given to you. Now next step what we have to do, we have to draw a tree diagram for this Markov sources. We have to draw a tree diagram. So next step is to draw a tree diagram. Tree diagram means we all know what is tree. It is having one branch. These will be the roots. Okay. This is the main stem of your tree. Okay. Then we will have different branches coming out of that. Yes or no, student? So tree diagram is similarly that you will be having only one source, one root cause, then we will have n number of branches producing some fruits. So now I will draw tree diagram and how it is drawn. You should have the first diagram with you, okay? Then looking towards the first diagram, what I will do, I will draw the first node. See, there are 3 possibilities. We are having 3 nodes over here. 1, 2 and 3. ठीक है students? So we can start from any state. From 1 we can start, or from 2 we can start, or from 3 we can start. So we can draw 3 different tree diagrams for this Markov source. So I will start with the first, that I am starting with the node 1. You can parallelly draw this diagram in your copy. Okay, I am starting with node 1. So this node 1 is producing symbol A. Am I right? Yes. And it is having the probability of half. We all know when it is going from node 1 to node 1. Okay, students, but what is the probability? We are saying that we are having 3 states. States are 1, 2, and 3. That means there are 3 sources. Clear? So how many will be the probability of all these 3 states? Students, who will tell me the probability? बाकी probabilities तो हमने draw कर रखी है diagram में. Clear? But for these 3 states, what will be the probability? Individual input probabilities क्या होगी? It will be 1 by 3. So these sources will have probability. Very good, Aditi. 1 by 3. Yes, Charu. Right answer. Amisha, very good. So 1 by 3 individual probability of these sources. So I can write here 1 by 3. Okay. Now I will start drawing this tree diagram. So when I am at state 1, you can see the first diagram. Okay. I am moving from node 1 to 1. It is producing, sorry, I have to write here 1. So node 1 with probability, symbol producing will be A. Am I right? Yes. And its probability is half. You can see the diagram. If I am moving from node 1 to node 2, then I am moving from node 1 to node 3. Okay, students. So what symbol is producing from node 1 to node 2? Which symbol is get produced? Please write down in the chat box. From the diagram. From the, yes, it is B with this symbol is producing and with probability 1 by 4. Then from node 1 to node 3 symbol C is produced with probability 1 by 4. Clear? Now we are moving towards next step. If I am at node 1, now again I can generate, how many symbols can be generated from node 1? Again 3 symbols can be generated in the next step. It can go to 1, 2 and 3 states. Then again from state 2, from node 2, how to get 1 by 4? Students, it is there in the diagram. Na? All these probabilities are mentioned. Just you have to find the input probabilities of these 3 sources. Every probability is shown in the diagram. So again, after, if we are at this state 2, I can have 3 more states. I can go to 1, 2 or 3. Okay. Similarly, if I am at node 3, I can have 3 different paths to go at node 1, node 2 or node 3. Clear, students? Now we will mark all the arrows and respective symbols which are producing when we are moving from one state to another. Clear? So 1 to 1 transition, you can see the backward diagrams. 1 to 1 transition was A. Okay? 1 to 2 transition was B. 1 to 3 transition is C. And the probabilities are, I should use a different color pen to put the probabilities. It is half. It is 1 by 4. It is 1 by 4. Okay? So from this, we know very easily because we had the first state. This is the first state, this is the second state. So moving from first state, we had 1 to 1 transition, 1 to 2 and 1 to 3. Now this is for the first time that we are moving from state 2 to 1, 2 to 2 and 2 to 3. So when I'm moving from 2 to 1, I'm generating a probability of A. Okay? Then I'm generating from 2 to 2, the probability is B. 2 to 3, the probability is C. Sorry, the symbol produced is C and the respective probabilities are 1 by 4, 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. Clear? Again moving 3 to 1 में क्या generate होगा student? Please draw this whole diagram. Again you can move further. 1 is producing this 3 states. Yes, next क्या होगा? 3 से 1 के लिए है A. Very good. 3 to 2. 3 to 2 we are having B, 3 to 3 we are having C, and you can write all the probabilities. So this is the concept of tree diagram. So you can draw your own tree diagram, because to simplify this Markov sources, we have to always draw the tree diagrams. But every time what we have to do, students, we have to use all the states. तो पहले मैंने ये कंसीडर किया कि मेरे पास फर्स्ट सोर्स है जो सिग्नल एमिट कर रहा है फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. ओके, देन आई एम कंसीडरिंग दैट दिस node 2 is generating the first symbol. ठीक है, this node 2 is generating, we are starting with this node 2 input. ठीक है, so again what I have to do, I have to draw a second tree diagram. ठीक है, I have to draw a second tree diagram. So, but before drawing this second tree diagram, we have to discuss two important parameters. ठीक है, so we have to write here two things. Where the end? No, there is no end of this diagram. You can draw 1, 2, 3 states. Don't draw more than that. They will show. They will tell you that the message length should be 2, 3, 4. If the length is 2, that means only 2 symbols are emitted. Message length is 3, that means 3 different states you can code. Likewise, A, 2 messages are emitted. Okay, message length will be given to you to 2, 3, 4. So depending on that, you can draw your own diagram. So this much is always sufficient to you. Okay, now you have to prepare a table where what you should do, you should draw this tree diagram, and in front of this tree diagram only draw a table which is showing you symbols emitted. You can write down in your copy symbols emitted and its respective probability. Okay, symbols emitted and probability. So symbols emitted from this diagram with state 1, with node 1. Okay, with node 1. So how it is emitted, the symbol? So first we can have the message of length 2, AA. This A and A. Okay, what is its probability? We have to calculate its probability. We have to calculate its probability. So how I will calculate its probability? It is 1 by 2. See, A की क्या थी? First state में 1 by 2. Second state में 1 by 2. Then what is the probability of 1 to be get emitted? Node 1 consider कर रहे हैं ना हम, उसकी probability है 1 by 3, वो भी multiply होगा. So total probability will be 1 by 12. Clear? So total probability will be 1 by 12. In this way, you have to calculate your own probabilities for symbols emitted. Next symbol I am saying emitted is A, B. Okay, so again, please calculate the probability. It will be 1 by, then AC. Then next set of symbol generated will be BA, BB and BC. Next set of level will be CA, CB and CC. Clear? So now please student tell me the final values of this probability. Do it fast. Very good, Amisha. 1/24. Okay. Next. Next probability values. Yes, so you can find out all the values, okay, simultaneously. So this completed generation of first tree diagram for this. So how much is the probability to generate AB symbol? AA symbol की probability to generate is 1/4. Clear? Generation of AA probability is 1/4. We can see here. Okay, but we have to multiply it with the state transition probability also, that is 1/3. Okay, because it is at node 1. Okay. So completed. लिख लिया class में. So now student, please, you have to draw a second diagram also. I'm moving towards new slide. Is it okay? Finished with the diagram and the symbols emitted and probability. All of you? Yes, you can write. See, we will simplify one numerical. This is just the example to explain you the concept. So next, what you will do? You will draw a tree diagram for state 2. इसको draw करके क्या करोगे? You have to write symbol emitted and probability. Clear? Then you can draw starting from node 3. 2 से भी हम start करेंगे तो क्या होगा? It will move to state 1, 2 and 3. Again 3 states. Again 3 states. Again it will move in this way. It will be generated. Okay, so you can draw your own. Choose state 3. We have choose here. In second step, we have choose state 2. Here, we are choosing state 3. That it is starting from state 3. So 1, 2 and 3. So here we are going like this. Clear, students? Any doubt? Am I audible to all? Okay. Okay. So we will see some formulas to solve now Markov source. Okay, we can draw further states. Likewise, you have to complete your. So you have to complete this in your copy because we have to simplify one numerical also. So we will finish up with this topic. This is a important topic of your next unit of your curriculum. So now write down entropy of Markov source. Entropy of Markov source. Entropy, which we have simplified in the first unit. What is the entropy? It is average information content. So here we are finding entropy of Markov source. You write it properly in your copy. I'm writing it in short. Please write down the definition. I'm dictating you the definition right now. It is defined as the weighted average sum it is defined as a weighted average of the entropy of symbols emitted It is defined as a weighted average of the entropy of symbols emitted from each state. See, there are 3 states. Okay, na? So here we are representing that state by I. So you can write down I is the state. And what is HI? HI is the entropy of that state. Clear? HI is the entropy of that state. HI is the entropy of that state. Okay. So now what is Pij? You know what is Pij? Pij is a conditional probability. You can write, because as it travel from one state to another state. So conditional probability Pij. Ij means transition from I state to J state. Okay. And in previous example, we have seen that there was 3 states. It can have 2 states, it can have 4 states. So depending on that, it will be changed. So from one state to another state. It indicates change in the state from the source from I to J. Clear? So this is my entropy of state. Clear? Now write down entropy of, write down student, entropy of source. हमने क्या किया, पहले स्टेट की एंट्रोपी फाइंड की, अब हम फाइंड कर रहे हैं एंट्रोपी ऑफ सोर्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, एंट्रोपी ऑफ सोर्स, राइट डाउन. Entropy of source is the average of entropy of each state, Clear? Entropy of source is the average of entropy of each state. State entropy we have found out. This is the state entropy. Clear? Now averaging this, you will get the entropy of source. Clear? Now please substitute, put this 1 in 2. And this is very important, student. It's unit, bits per symbol. Okay. Now here we have to write same. H का unit क्या होगा? Bits per message or bits per symbol. You can write anything. Okay. So H is the total entropy of the Markov source. Now here what is Pi? This Pi is a probability that the source is in the ith state. If it is stable in the ith state, okay, that is the Pi probability. Pi is the probability that the source is in ith state. Clear? So should I move ahead? Should I move ahead? Finish writing down these formulas. Okay. So I'm changing my slide. So entropy of source. Clear? Then we have to deal with the second important parameter, that is average. Write down average information content per symbol. First we saw the entropy of state, entropy of source. Now average information content per symbol. A, B, C are my symbols. Clear? So we have to find average information content per symbol. So it is defined by, you can write down the formula directly. Gn is equal to 1 upon capital N summation I P of Mi log 2 1 upon P of Mi. Generally, see students, in the exam, they will ask you for the first part only to find the entropy, because this is a very time consuming process, average information content. So Gn is that, okay, or in some book it is noted as I. Clear? Average information content, वैसे भी information content I ही होता है, ठीक है, जो हमने basic definitions में पढ़ा था. So Gn is equal to 1 upon n summation I P Mi log 2 1 upon P Mi. Clear students? So write down PMI is a probability of sequence mi of capital N symbols from the source. This is my probability. And what is capital N? N is the length of message. Clear? It could be 2, it could be 3, it could be 4. Length of message. So this finishes all the basic concepts of Markov source. If you want to ask anything, you can ask. Now we will simplify one numerical based on this topic. Okay, students, we will simplify one numerical. So please write down the question. Write down the question. See the information source graph. See the information source graph. Find the following. Find the following. First, source entropy. First, source entropy. And second, average information content. Average information content per symbol. So this is the example we are simplifying. Average information content per symbol. Draw this diagram. So very simple diagram. Just how many nodes are there, students, in this? 2 nodes. We are having 2 states. That is 1 and 2. Symbols generated, produced by transition from one state to another are A, B, and C with different probabilities shown. Clear? And the probability of each state will be here, which is never mentioned in the question. So we have to find out. If it is given, it's okay. Okay, this is 3/4 is the probability from moving from state 2 to state 2. That probability is 3/4, okay? But the input probability of this states are P1 is equal to 1/2. P2 is equal to 1/2. Okay? So probability of this state is 1/2. Clear? So now we have to solve this. So what parameters we have to find? First parameter we have to find source entropy, that is H. Clear? Second thing we have to find is average information content, that is G1, G2, G3. G1 means message of length 1, message of length 2, message of length 3. It's written average information content per symbol G1, G2, G3. So first length of message 1, length of message 2, length of message 3. Length of message 1 का क्या मतलब हुआ? Only symbol A is produced. 2 means only 2 are produced. 3 means we have produced these 3 different symbols A, B. So this we have to find. So first step, what we will do here, we will draw a tree diagram from state 1 to state 2. Simple tree diagram we will draw because, see student, we have to find this source entropy H. What is the formula for H? We all know PIHI. Summation PIHI. So to find H, first what we have to find? We have to find HI. And how many states are there here? Here we are having only 2 states, 1 and 2. So how many HI are there? I will use a different color pen, H1 and H2. These two we have to find. Is it clear, student? H फाइंड करने के लिए मुझे पहले HI फाइंड करना पड़ेगा, और HI फाइंड करने के लिए मुझे 2 स्टेट्स है, सो 2 this symbol entropy, so H1 and H2 I have to find. ठीक है, that is entropy of state. So to find that, what is the formula to find H1? We have seen H1 लिखोगे तो क्या आएगा तुम्हारा, summation J is equal to 1 to n Pij log 2 1 upon Pij. Okay, Ij means transition from one to other. So here we will draw from one state only two symbols are emitted. You can see we will draw a small tree diagram over here starting with node 1. ठीक है, node 1 से symbol कहाँ कहाँ जा रहा है student? It is going to be, sorry, it is going to node 2. ठीक है, and it is going to only state 1. Is it clear? To find H1, change the color. H1 के लिए मैं डायग्राम ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ फॉर स्टेट 1. ठीक है, फ्रॉम वन स्टेट only two symbols are emitted. Only two symbols are emitted. Either it can go from 1 to 2 or 1 to 1. 1 to 2, if it is going, it is producing symbol C with probability 1 by 4, symbol A with probability 3 by 4. Okay, and the transition probability will be known as P12 and P11. Is it clear? And the probability of this is 1 by 2. ठीक है, so from one state only two symbols are produced. ठीक है, now to draw H2, here I will draw H2. H2 के लिए मैं क्या करूंगी, it is starting from node 2. clear, it can go to state 1 or it can go to state 2. clear, producing the symbol C with probability 1 by 4. C, 2 going to 1. This is the path. 2 going to 1. Sorry, it's reversed. Huh? 2 going to 1 is this C. Okay, 1 by 4 probability, and 2 moving towards 2 state is B. Clear, student? With probability 3 by 4. Am I right? So probability generated will be P21 and P22. Is it clear? Should I repeat? Is it audible to all? Any doubt? So these numericals are very lengthy, so you have to move step by step. Okay. So to find H1 and H2. ठीक है, अब H1 फाइंड करने के लिए what I will do, I know the formula, you have to write the formula. I am directly writing H1 is equal to P11. ठीक है students, P11 log 2 1 upon P11 plus P12 log 2 1 upon P12. This is to find H1. To find H2, I will write the formula. P21 log 2 1 upon P21 plus P22 log 2 1 upon P22. Clear? So please student find out this probability and give me the answer. I am waiting for the answer. अब सारी probabilities लिखो यहाँ पे और उसको simplify करो. Yes, do it fast. क्या लिखेंगे हम? Is it right? And unit? And I hope you have given your first midterm, so now you know how to calculate this log, rhythmic values easily. Very good. कितना आ रहा है अदिति? शायद wrong answer है, just check it. Yes, right answer. क्या क्या आंसर्स आए हैं स्क्रीन पर? Yes, Akshat, very good. Charu, it is 0.811. How many of you are getting this answer? Okay, Pratibha, very good. Aditi, आगे आंसर. Okay. Ritika, okay, very good. Who is remaining? Really happy that you got the concept and you are simplifying the numerical very nicely. And I think all of you got the answer. So, any doubt till here? So, I will write the answer on the screen. For both the values, I am getting same answer. That is 0.8112 or 0.8111 bits per symbol. So, it's clear. So next what we have to do, we have to find the part A of the question, that is this H, that is entropy of source. So please write down the formula in your copy. H का formula लिखो और simplify it. It's very easy. I'm waiting for the answer on the screen. Write down the formula of H. Then in next class, we will simplify the second part because that is very lengthy part. Yes, students, answer. ओके, एच आ गया. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. यही आंसर है क्या बाकी सबका? व्हाट इज द आंसर अदर्स? ओके, सो परफेक्ट आंसर. Yes, this is the answer. So H is coming out to be same, that is 0.8112 bits per symbol. Very good. So any doubt? Very good. Ritika. Yes, others, please write down the answer on the screen, on the chat box. So any doubt if you want to ask? So next part we will continue in the next class. Okay, so we will wind up our class over here. Tomorrow again we will have class. We will have lab session and theory session. 2 classes we will have daily. So goodbye students. Please take care.